When to actually quit. Use objective data when making big business decisions. Consult your accountant for accurate reporting of your business's financial status. This analysis may depend on various factors, including how much savings you have to pay expenses while building your business, for example, because you will likely be operating at a loss during the first few months of building your business until you make a consistent profit. Therefore, it's financially wise to 1. Get an accountant immediately when starting a business, and 2. Stay in touch with your accountant regularly to keep an accurate picture of how long you can operate at a loss and how much money you need to make to stay afloat. If you are running out of savings, you have no other income, and you haven't made enough profit consistently to pay expenses, it may be best to close your doors and seek alternative income, i.e., a job. We don't recommend using credit cards to pay expenses while operating at a loss unless you are on a predictable trajectory for profit. Routine credit card use with no business profit for an extended time only digs a bigger hole for yourself.